we're really seeing the most potential for companies or clients with large multi-jurisdictional platforms or portfolios, where previously it was cost prohibitive or just unrealistic to go out and perform a valuation for each one of those sites. And that really made it difficult for risk managers and the people in the room to get a handle on their valuations. We're talking about clients with hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands of properties that they're responsible for. Take Frederick and WTW team at GB Retail. This tends to be a mix of commercial and residential properties, a bit more standard build in nature. And in the past, we used to have to structure these large multi-year valuation programs where the cost involved, the effort from the client side, the fee, these are all major deterrents. But now our automated solution looks to cut out all those limitations. And beyond that, we also see potential for large corporate clients to use it as a management platform. They'll have all their information centralized in one place. Down the line, we actually see some future potential for other valuation firms to use it where they don't have capacity, because we really see what we're doing as something that could be the market standard going forward. And beyond that, just from coming to these InsTech events, we've met all these different companies, whether it's big ticket or others where our API can fit right into their existing environment.